Bernads. Welcome back to my channel. And dito ako ngayon sa Alabang, guys. Yeah, for today's video ay dito kami mag New Year, guys, sa Acacia. Ayun, nakikita nyo, Acacia. Ayan. So, gabi na kasi nakatulog ako. Yan, hanggang 15th floor ito, guys. So, yung harap. Ayan. So, ngayon, pasok na tayo ulit. So, ito yung lobby. Tagal na rin na di kami nakapag-ano dito, guys. Tapos, ito yung Christmas tree nila. So, bukas mag-buffet kami dyan sa taas. Ayan yung dining area nila. Okay. Tapos ito yung coffee nila. Coffee shop. Reception area. Tapos ito yung dining. Punta na ako sa room namin. 611. Ayan, 610. Okay, 610, guys. Okay. The bathroom, guys. Okay. Okay, so they have a bathtub and the rubber. Okay. So, ayan, meron silang lower glass. And then, yun, mga complementary nila. So, they have toothbrush. Dalawang toothbrush. Dalawang soap. And, lotion. Dalawang lotion. Okay. Shower cup. 2 shower cup. Then, what is this? Vanity kit. Yung dalawa din nalaglag yung isa. So, 2 vanity cup. Ay, vanity kit. Ayan. So, ito yung shower nila. Okay. So, hindi pa namin nagamit kasi kaya papasok pa lang namin, guys. So, ito yung shampoo. Ang galing, oh. Nakalock. Para hindi mo mabitbit to. So, shampoo and body wash. Shampoo and conditioner and body wash. Yan. So, ito yung shower nila. Okay. So, mamaya ano ko dyan, magbabad-babad. So, ayan yung dalawang towel nila. Ayan. So, ito yung CR nila, guys. Ganda. Okay. So, later naman yung pakita ko sa inyo yung
room tour.
So, ito yung closet, guys. Yan. So, merong bathroom. Merong kabayo. May plancha. And may flashlight. Then, yun. So, may drawer din dito. Lagay ng mga shoes. Ayan. So, andito yung aming mga gamit. Guys, ayan. So, mamaya yung tour ko kayo. So, ayan guys. Nag-request ako ng slippers kasi parang nakalimutan nilang maglagay. 3 slippers. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Ito yung mga complimentary nila. They have 2 bottled water. And then, gusto magkape. Meron silang coffee dito, cream, at saka tea. And then they have the electric kettle. Then let's see what's inside. Their ref. Okay, so they have drinks here. So if you want to drink that one, of course, they will charge you. Yeah. So, yeah. And then nagdala ako ng buko pandan. Yeah. Okay. And meron silang table, office table, and then meron coffee dito, coffee table. Mamaya ko napakita yung bed kasi kahiga sila. Outside guys. Yan, there's a lot of buildings here. Yeah, this is the swimming pool guys. And